how to set default address or change shipping address on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can actually set a default address on Amazon. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to set a default address on Amazon, what you have to do is to just go ahead and then launch the Amazon shopping app. And then once you launch the Amazon shopping application, what you have to do is you have to tap on the account icon, which is at the bottom of the screen. And once you tap on the account icon over here, select the option called your account from the very top. Once you go to your account, over here we have to scroll down a little bit. Under account settings, you'll find the option labeled as your addresses. So just go ahead and then tap on your addresses again. Once you go to your addresses section, you can see one of the address that I have added. Now this is not my default address, this is not my primary address, it's just one of the address I've added. This is my default shipping address as well. Now what you have to do is, in order to change it, what you can do is select the option called edit. And once you select the option called edit, this address is used as a residential address for digital purchases. To edit this, first set a different residential address for your digital purchases. So what we will do is we will select the option called add a new address from the very top. Once you select add a new address, just go ahead and then enter the address that you want to use. So let me also just go ahead and then select my region and so on, so that I can simply change a shipping address. Now once you enter all of your details over here, just tap on the add address button, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the add address button, you can see we've successfully set our new address. Now in order to set this as our default shipping address, just select the option called set as default. Once we choose the option called set as default, you can see now it says default address changed, which means that this is going to be used as our main shipping address. And that's all it takes to set a default address or change shipping address on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.